Imagine this. You're on a date, the atmosphere is electric, and there's a magnetic pull between you and your date. You can almost feel the tension in the air. But wait, what if I told you that this spark can be intentionally ignited? Yes, you heard that right. Building sexual chemistry isn't just about fate, it's a science you can master. It involves a blend of psychology, body language, and emotional intelligence that, when harnessed correctly, can lead to a profound connection. In this comprehensive guide, we're diving deep into the art of attraction, revealing the secrets that can transform an ordinary outing into an unforgettable experience. From the initial conversation to the final goodbye, every moment is an opportunity to enhance that chemistry. Whether you're looking to spice up a first date or elevate the connection to the next level, we've got you covered. So, buckle up and prepare for a wild ride. Did you know that over 90% of communication is non-verbal? That's right. Your body language speaks volumes before you even say a word. To set the stage for a magnetic connection, consider these essential tips. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and smile genuinely. These simple gestures can convey confidence and interest, creating an inviting atmosphere that encourages openness. Furthermore, remember to mirror your date's body language subtly. This technique creates a sense of familiarity and comfort, making the chemistry between you two feel more organic. When you mirror their movements, it not only fosters rapport, but also makes them feel understood and validated. It's like a dance where you both follow the same rhythm, enhancing the connection without saying a single word. Now let's talk about touch. Yes, that's right. A gentle touch on the arm or shoulder can create an instant bond. But here's the catch. Timing is everything. Start with light, friendly touches during the conversation. As the evening progresses, gauge their comfort level and gradually increase the intensity. However, beware. Too much too soon can come off as aggressive. Instead, let your hands tell a story. Each gesture should be deliberate and purposeful, creating a tactile connection that speaks louder than words. Touch can evoke powerful emotions, making your interactions feel more intimate and exciting. The right touch can convey desire and interest, enhancing the chemistry between you. What's the secret sauce to captivating conversations? Flirting. It's an art form that involves playful banter and light teasing. Use humor to break the ice. It's a fantastic way to build rapport and keep the energy flowing. A well-timed joke can lighten the mood and pave the way for deeper discussions. Ask open-ended questions that invite your date to share personal stories. Listen actively. Show genuine interest in what they say. This not only builds a connection, but also makes your date feel special and valued. And let's not forget the power of compliments. A well-placed compliment can send butterflies fluttering. Make sure your compliments are specific and sincere. This shows that you're paying attention and genuinely appreciate them. But keep it authentic. No one enjoys empty flattery. To truly foster sexual chemistry, you need to establish an emotional connection. Share your passions, fears, and dreams. Vulnerability can be incredibly attractive, as it shows your willingness to be open and honest. When you open up, you invite your date to do the same, and that's when the magic happens. Use storytelling to captivate your date's imagination. Paint vivid pictures with your words, and let them experience your journey. This not only entertains, but also allows them to see the world through your eyes. The more they can relate to your experiences, the stronger the bond you'll create. Sharing personal anecdotes can deepen your connection and make the conversation more engaging. Eye contact is a powerful tool that can ignite sexual chemistry. It's intimate and invites vulnerability. When speaking, hold their gaze. Don't look away too quickly. This creates a sense of intimacy that can be incredibly alluring. It signals trust and engagement, making the other person feel valued and important. However, be mindful not to stare. A balance is key. Look into their eyes when they speak, and occasionally glance away to avoid making them feel uncomfortable. This creates a rhythm in your interaction, making it feel natural and fluid. It's a dance of connection and intrigue, where the right amount of eye contact can leave your date longing for more. Shared experiences are the glue that binds two people together. Whether it's trying a new activity, cooking together, or exploring a new place, these moments create memories that strengthen your bond. The more unique and fun the experience, the more meaningful it becomes. Plan spontaneous adventures. Something out of the ordinary can spark excitement and bring you closer. Experiencing new things together can create a sense of camaraderie and adventure, heightening your chemistry. The thrill of shared experiences can elevate the chemistry from friendly to flirty in no time, leaving both of you with lasting memories and a deeper connection. Now, let's talk about the magic of anticipation. It's like the appetizer before the main course. The more tantalizing it is, the hungrier you become. Tease your date with playful comments about what could happen later. This adds an element of suspense that can be incredibly exciting. Create an aura of mystery around the evening, leaving them curious and excited. But remember not to rush. Take your time and enjoy the journey. Building anticipation allows both of you to savor the moments, making everything feel more intense. Building anticipation can lead to an exhilarating climax, both emotionally and physically. The tension you create can heighten the connection, making every moment feel electric. Timing can make or break a moment. Know when to lean in for that kiss or when to hold back. Pay attention to your date's body language. Are they leaning in too? If the moment feels right, go for it. Being attuned to the atmosphere can enhance the chemistry significantly, but if there's hesitation, don't force it. Respect their boundaries and let the moment unfold naturally. This patience can amplify the chemistry, making it all the more explosive when it finally happens. Understanding the rhythm of your interaction is key to creating a memorable experience. The environment plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Choose a venue that encourages intimacy. Low lighting, cozy seating, and soft music can create an inviting ambience. These elements can help to foster a sense of closeness, making it easier for both of you to open up. If you're at home, consider lighting candles or playing soft background music. These elements can help your date feel at ease and open the door to deeper conversations and connections. A warm, inviting space can set the tone for a memorable evening, allowing both of you to relax and enjoy each other's company. Consent is paramount in any romantic interaction. Always ensure that your date is comfortable with the pace at which things are progressing. This respect for boundaries fosters trust and creates a safe space for both of you. Discussing consent openly can also deepen your connection, as it shows that you value their feelings and comfort. Communicate openly about desires and preferences. This not only builds intimacy, but also enhances the overall experience. Being clear about what you both want can lead to a more fulfilling connection. Remember, chemistry thrives in an environment of comfort and trust, allowing both partners to explore their desires freely. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the transition from a successful date to the bedroom. The key is to maintain the connection you've built throughout the evening. This ensures that the transition feels natural and not forced, which can enhance the experience for both of you. As the night progresses, drop subtle hints about your attraction. Compliment them on their appearance or the chemistry you've shared. These affirmations can create a seamless transition, making it feel like a natural progression rather than a forced leap. Being attentive to cues can help you gauge the right moment to take things to the next level. Seduction is an art form that involves more than just physical attraction. It's about creating an emotional and mental connection. Use your words to paint a picture of what you desire. The way you express your desires can make your partner feel desired and cherished, enhancing the overall intimacy. Whisper sweet nothings, share fantasies, and let your imagination run wild. But remember, the goal is to make your partner feel desired and cherished. Focus on their pleasure, and your chemistry will reach new heights. The way you express desire can intensify the connection, making every moment more thrilling. Being attentive to their reactions can lead to a more fulfilling and memorable experience. When the moment feels right, it's time to take the plunge. But approach it with confidence and grace. Every touch, every kiss should be intentional, leading up to the grand finale. This intentionality can create a sense of unity and excitement, making the experience more profound. Be in tune with your partner's reactions. Adjust your pace based on their comfort level. This attentiveness not only deepens the intimacy, but also enhances the overall experience for both of you. The culmination of your connection can be a breathtaking moment to cherish, one that both of you will remember fondly.